Soft parenting means being strict without the abuse, if you ask me. That's just soft parenting to me. Life is already hard. Like, why would I make it harder? Or why would I hang out with people that just drain my energy or that are just negative? I ain't got time for that.
For a little adventure, Saffie? Is Saffie ready for a little adventure with Mama? Are you ready, baby? Are you ready for the Uber? I think the Uber is here.
It is a new day and it is really early actually. What time is it? It's 8:47 a.m. and I am in the process of getting ready because I want to leave the house today. Tomorrow my parents and sister are coming over because it is Saffie's 3-month anniversary. So they always make it a thing that they always come over for her anniversaries, and because they couldn't be there in the beginning, it's extra special, I guess. So I want to get them something nice, and this Sunday it's also Mother's Day, so I want to get my mom and sister something. My sister is not a mom yet. I do want her to be Saffie's matey. That just means that she is somebody who would take care of Saffie if ever something were to happen to me, which we're not going to manifest that. Hopefully that will never be the case, but just in case, a person that Saffie can always go to if she has questions or if there's something that she doesn't want to tell me, then my sister is the next best thing in my opinion. So yeah, I want to give my sister something as well, because with Saffie she has also become kind of a mom, you know. Anyway, so I'm getting ready, so I think we're gonna go to the mall or to the city. I'm not gonna make up my mind yet about which one it's gonna be, but yeah, we're gonna go outside and try to fix my mom and my sister something, and yeah, that's what's up. I look crazy right now. Saffie is down for a nap right now, so when it's her next feeding round, which will be in an hour, I'm gonna get her ready and so that we can leave. By the way, I thought I would update you on my doctor's appointment from the other day. I don't think I spoke about that anymore, but yeah, I went to my diabetes endocrinologist check-up. It's just a diabetes doctor, and actually everything is okay. So I am off insulin for good, actually. All my values are really good, and there's no need to continue with the insulin anymore. I'm really happy, and my values are now similar to someone who doesn't have diabetes, which is great. So the only thing that I still have to do is like drop some of the baby weight, which I don't think I have a lot to go still. It's like 8 kilos that I still have to lose, and then I will be back on my weight that I started with before I was pregnant. So I'm gonna work towards that without being toxic, of course, because after all, my body did like make a whole baby. It went through a lot. It's still going through a lot with all these hormonal things happening in my body. So we're not gonna be toxic about it, but I have 8 kilos more to drop, and then I will be back at my normal weight. But still, I might be the Lulu. I don't think I look bad at all. So I am really happy with how everything is going. And what I still need to do is use my glucose machine to still keep up with my sugar levels and stuff, and in case something peaks, then I can react to that right away. So yeah, I'm really happy and grateful, and I'm thanking the Lord for that, because it has been quite the journey. I also received like some messages from some other people who got to know that they are in line to get diabetes, or that they have diabetes. And all I can say to you is, of course, in the beginning it's shocking. It's not something that you want to hear. It's better if you know what is up than dragging the problem along for years and years without knowing what is happening to you, and then the results of that can be fatal. So I really encourage you to take good care of your health. In the beginning, go hard, you know, and try to find like a new way around your life with this. It doesn't mean that your life is over, because you can still indulge and have your fun foods every now and then. But what I have noticed, or what has been working for me, is moderation with everything. And one thing that I just don't do anymore is drink my calories. I don't do that anymore. If I drink like some lemonade or something, I always make sure that it's sugar free, and that's just how I go about it. And other than that, you can even have a slice of normal cake, just as long as you don't make it an everyday thing. It's not really a problem, you know. Every now and then it is possible when you have it under control, but you need to find your way around it, and I'm really happy that I did. So I wish everyone who is on this journey, or who has received similar news or something, I wish you the best of luck, you know. So yeah, that's that. But everything is good, and I'm really grateful for it. I was a little nervous about it, because after that I given birth, I was on no medication. I wasn't even measuring myself or anything, and I was just curious to see like, oh my god, or anxious to see like what is it gonna be. But everything is good, so I'm really happy. And what happens in some cases is that when you give birth, or when you're pregnant, that your body gets a reset. So that may have been what has happened in my case, but there will be a follow-up. If I'm pregnant again, then they will follow up with me very closely, just to make sure that everything goes well during my pregnancy, because I am sensitive to sugars and stuff. That's just something that is evident in all this. So yeah, thought I would give you a little update, because I don't think I really spoke about it anymore. And we also, Saffie and I also went to Benny's work to just surprise him with a little sandwich, and we just dropped that off, and then we left. So that was really nice. And I totally forgot to update you on how everything went, but everything went well. So grateful for that. Alright, I'm gonna fix my hair real quick, and then I am ahead of the game, because my daughter is still sleeping, so perfect. and hair is done. I just like fixed my buff a little bit, and I'm gonna like just put my earrings in already. Literally got these from the supermarket yesterday. So cute. Look, I love those. But yeah, I've been loving my curly hair. I'm so grateful that my hair still curls though, after having it like stretched for so long. But it's so much easier as well. Tonight I think I'm gonna give it a wash when Benny gets home, and he can watch the baby so I can take care of my hair. But I've been loving it. Anyways, I think I'm gonna put everything ready for Saffie for when she wakes up, so I can give her her bottle, change into my outfit of the day, and then after her feeding, then we can leave. So I'm gonna put everything for her ready. And this is mom life for you. You need to get your stuff done early. If you want to get ready, shower and all that, you need to do that early, and otherwise chances are big that you need to wait for your significant other to get home in order for you to do so. So if I didn't say it enough times, mad respect for people who are doing it by themselves, who are a single parent, because I don't know how y'all do it. How do y'all do it? When do you shower? And yeah, I think they have to wake up early and stuff as well, because I don't see otherwise how it's possible, you know, how to do that during the day. Crazy. So far, it's a pretty chill baby. A few days ago, I did notice that she was having like some FOMO, that she didn't want to take her naps in fear of missing anything. But I'm happy that that sorted itself out, because I was like, little girl, I love you, but I have stuff to do too, you know? And I know I'm home to be with her and take care of her for the most part, but it doesn't mean that I don't have the right to have a life too, you know? So yeah, that's that. But anyways, I'm gonna quickly get her stuff ready so I can hurry up when she is up. We made it to the mall, and now Saffie and I are doing a few errands. This mall is that they have this special place here in the mall for you to change your baby and everything. So we're gonna give Saffie a little change. Mommy? Yay! Gonna change your diaper real quick? Are you gonna change your diaper real quick? Right? It also has like a nursing area. Let me show you real quick. Like right there you can nurse, give your baby food, everything. And here they also have like a play little room for like a little older babies. Thought that was really cute. The other day when I came here with Salwa, she showed it to me. Yay, mamas, yay. Oh, oh, oh. Yay, baby. Yay. Ik moet jou even schone pamper geven, hè? Jij, schatje. Een beetje verversen. Zo, hé mama. Lekker fris. Lekker fris, hè mama's. Jij. Jij, schatje. Jij, mama's. Jij.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been thinking to myself, asking for help.
Moederdag dinner is sushi. I'm so excited. So
and I'm exhausted. But I'm really excited about the sushi. Yay.
Hello. Ben op een date met mama. I'm on a date with mommy. Mommy-daughter date. Say hey hey. Hey hey.
Ja, we wisten niet of ze... Ja, dat is waarschijnlijk te groot voor haar. Maar we wisten niet of ze al een badpakje had.
Maar dan kan ze lekker meegroeien.
Ja.
Kijk!
Het was wel de kleinste maat van de, toch? Een van de kleinste
So cute! Look who's
for the summer.
Look! And it's so modest. It's a one piece.
Ja, we dachten we gaan nog niet voor de
Ja, geen skimping. Ja,
met de baby tongs.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
No.
Nee, maar voor panetjes.
Nee. Oh my god, ik weet al wat dit is. Het is haar naam. Oh my god, look at this. Little wooden letters on wheels. And it's gonna spell her name. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Ik dacht, ik denk of het al heet.
Nee, deze nog niet. Maar this is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, so cute. Oh, je kan het ook aan elkaar rijgen.
Ja, je kan het echt aan elkaar rijgen.
Oh.
Ja. En dan wordt het uiteindelijk
een puzzel hoor. Saffie. Oh my god, this is so cute. Ah, wacht.
Ja! Oh my goodness, look at this. This is Saffie's first train ride. Are you ready, Saffie? Are you ready for your first train ride, mama?
Ik weet dat Saffie het doet.
is Monday and I am in the process of getting myself together. My baby is down for a nap, and while she was napping I decided to take a shower, do my hair, and I'm now quickly gonna do a little something for my makeup because I do want to just leave the house for a little bit. The weekend was just a rainy weekend and we were just inside the whole time. So when it's not raining, those are the days that I need to take advantage of that and just go outside. I prefer not to go outside when it's raining with my baby. It's just like a little thing that I maintained from the time that she was still underweight. Of course, she's no longer underweight, but I don't want to risk her getting sick or having a cold or something like that if it's not necessary, you know. And maybe I can just give you like a little update on my life at the moment. So first thing first, I've been getting the question a lot, like how I am, how I'm doing. I am doing really good. In the last few weeks I was feeling a little blue. That might be a little bit of postpartum depression, even though I don't really want to call it that because I haven't been diagnosed, and there have been people that have been diagnosed with that and it can be really serious. But I think like the postpartum blues are something really real and they have been hitting me and they come from nowhere. Sometimes I just have times that I have just too much time to think and then I instantly go into overthinking, and that always leads up to tears. It's not to a point that it's problematic to me, but there were days in the last few weeks in which Saffie is having a growth spurt and it's just really difficult to find out what she wants, and she's just being fussy all day. And then I noticed that when you have like a little to-do list or you plan to do a whole bunch of things and you don't manage, or I don't manage to do those are the days that I'm really prone to tears and being sad and all that. It's something really real and it's normal, so I just thought I would like let you know that. But other than that, I'm really okay. I'm really happy with my baby and all that. But we all have those days, even if you're not pregnant. It's really normal to have days in which you feel a little bit less, and it's fine. If you feel like you need professional help because you have these way too often, then there's no shame or guilt or anything into getting the help that you need. You know, better that than to be alone and feel like you suffer, because it's really not necessary. You know, help is there to take if you need it. So yeah, that's my little mental health part. I've also been getting a lot of questions about my diabetes and my health now that I have a baby. I am someone who is prone to too much sugar, so a healthy lifestyle is definitely something that I can benefit from. So that will maintain the same way. Sugary drinks is really something that I'm never planning on doing again. Things like Red Bull, especially the one without the normal one. I'm not planning on doing those kind of things anymore, and I'm planning on having a healthy lifestyle as much as possible. So now my next up follow-up and checkup appointment is in December, and it is May 27th as I'm filming this, so it's quite a while, but I don't foresee any crazy stuff. I think if I just manage to eat properly and take care of myself like I have been doing for the last 2 years, then I should be fine. So, and also Saffie is starting solids in a few weeks because she will be 4 months, and we are slowly gonna start introducing solids. We will have a class from the people who come here for her little consultations on the 11th of June, and I read the material that they gave us with all the information about her having solids, and I just see this already happening, that if I am having bad foods, that she will want to have bad foods as well. And they say that the best way to introduce like a healthy lifestyle and a healthy way of eating is to show her that we are eating the same things. So yeah, I think like the games of ordering too much food and all that are really gonna be even more minimal than they are at the moment already. So yeah, that's that. I really want to give her the right example, because growing up in my household we didn't eat a lot of vegetables, and I grew up not really liking vegetables too much. Fruits was never a problem, but vegetables not so much. And when I met Benny, he was like, girl, you really need to do something on your vegetable intake, because this is why you are sick all the time. So I started to work on that, started having more vegetables, and I really noticed a big difference. So I really want Saffie to grow up liking vegetables and have that as part of her normal diet. So we're definitely gonna do everything in our power to give her the right example. Yes, another thing that I have really learned right now is boundaries, because I have a child now. I am a people pleaser, and I like to say yes to a lot of things without thinking about it. And now that I really got thrown a curveball, because honestly, you can't be saying yes to everything when you have a child. First of all, it's going to give my child the impression that that's the way things should go. So for that reason, I can be doing that. But for other reasons, it's also to just protect my energy and the energy of my child, because otherwise people are going to constantly step over me. So right now, I have to learn. It's still a work in progress, but I'm learning to say no, or at least like when I don't know for sure, or that I want to do something, or I'm hesitant about it, I will tell people or whatever the case may be, that I will think about it and I'll get back to you the next day or something if I don't feel like it, So yeah, I really had to check myself on that. And before this, I used to say yes to everything, and then it would only affect me, but now it also affects my child, So those are things that I really had to work on, and that really have challenged me in the last few months. But it is what it is. And especially with the protecting of the energy, like our culture has like so many superstitions, and I talked about it in a previous video, so I'm not gonna repeat myself on that. But it's just really challenging if you're not used to speaking your mind, or speaking even against your parents when they say something that isn't right, or that isn't scientifically proven to be right. Those things can really like be a point of discussion, and sometimes you just don't have the energy. After Saffie had like a whole day of fussing, of crying, or whatever the case may be, I'm just not in the mood to also fuss with my parents or somebody from that generation about like what they used to do in the days that made no sense, or what they used to give to children and stuff like that. Like that information is irrelevant to me. I just follow what they say now, and maybe there is a reason that things have changed, because maybe they have been proven to not work in the past or something. So those things are really, really challenging. But if you're a new mom, you know what I mean. I'm really grateful to have my parents around, and that they can be part of Saffie's life. But those things, yeah, I'm not gonna say that those were easy, because especially as someone who used to say yes to everything and be a people pleaser, it's really hard to go against sometimes what they say works, or that I should do. Well, I know that that's what I should not be doing, Another time somebody also asked me like what type of parenting I choose to do. I do soft parenting. She's still a baby. I'm still strict, do not get me wrong, but soft parenting means being strict without the abuse, if you ask me. That's just soft parenting to me. I cater to her needs. I give her everything that she needs. But it's a strict parenting style, just without the abuse, because back in the day, things that our parents would do, I know that they didn't know any better, but those things are these days considered abuse, Okay, then about my relationship with Benny, I must say that our relationship got even more stronger after having our baby. We do so much things together now. Even more than when we didn't have her. So I really like that, our little family moments. And we just try to see life sometimes through Safar's eyes. Like for the other day, we went to Brussels for the first time with her, and we took a train for the first time. So we really try to romanticize those little moments for her. Yeah, and I also try to make a good balance between what to film and what to not film. I try to live in the moment as much as possible as well, because I do want to enjoy her now that she's this little. She's never going to be this tiny ever again. So, you know, it's just important to make a healthy balance between what is when I'm filming and when I'm not. And I like for her to be able to see these videos when she's older and see how we were with her when she was little. So yeah, I try to make a healthy balance with that. And there's a lot of footage that we just keep for her that is not gonna be online, but I really like that a lot, you know. When back in the days when I used to watch the Kardashians, I really used to love that they had so much footage from when they were children. And that's something that I always admired. So I am a video kind of person for the most part. I still have a photo album for Saffie that I still need to like start working on. So maybe this week I will have time to go print some pictures and stuff, and also make some pictures with our Polaroid camera and start filling in her book, because that would be so cool for her to have as well. But the video footage, she has enough of that. She will be able to see so much of her little life when she was younger, when she's older. So I love that for her. And I wish they had done the same with me, but Benny as well. They lost his baby book completely. His parents doesn't know where it is. It just got lost with moving, or I don't know what the case is. I hope they end up finding it one day, but there's not much pictures and stuff from his childhood, and that's sad, you know. And yeah, other than that, I like to keep my attention focused on the things that concern me. What other people do is just none of my business, you know. It has never been, but especially that's really something that I gained insights on when having Safar. Like what other people do and think is just not my business. I need to mind my own business and what concerns me and what is good for me. So yeah. Another thing for me right now is also friendships that make me feel alive, or when I see certain friends and I feel recharged after seeing them. That is the most for me. That's the most magical friendships, and I try to have as much of those friendships as possible, because life is already hard. Like, why would I make it harder, or why would I hang out with people that just drain my energy or that are just negative? I ain't got time for that. I really ain't got time for that. It sounds harsh. I feel like I sound harsh, but that's what it is, you know. Might also be my people pleasing still talking, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. And then last but not least, what has been helping me so much during these times is to practice 3 wins of the days. And those are the physical wins, the mental wins, and the spiritual win. With the physical win, that could be just walking and getting in some fresh air. That helps tremendously. Whenever I feel like a little down or like a little questionable and I go outside, I'll feel so much better. Then the mental win is just to go off my phone, do not look at what other parents are doing with their child, or what Susie and Sally and whoever says is good when it comes to parenting. I just follow what I feel works best for me, and just taking detoxes and breaks from social media in general. Those things really help me. And then my spiritual wins are just trying to journal or meditate, do something for myself, take some self-care time to just think about my day and think about my life and things like that. Yeah. So those are the things that I like to go through, and that has been helping me so much. And once again, I'm super grateful to be able to be home with my child the first year of her life. I'm so aware that I'm so lucky to have this opportunity to do this, because there are so many moms out there that cannot do it because of financial reasons, because of the lack of help, not being able to. There are maybe so many reasons. It doesn't matter what the reason is, but I'm just happy that I'm able to do this, and that I have a partner who supports me and who agrees with everything that I'm doing, you know. So yeah, I'm really happy and grateful for that. And we should say that more often to our significant others more, and let them know that they are appreciated, because I feel like Benny is doing an amazing job with Saffie so much. Like, he loves her so much, but he's also going the extra mile. He does everything in the book and over the book for her, and I truly admire that in him. I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful for everything that I have. But yeah, with that being said, I think I'm done with the makeup. I am just going to wake up Saffie in a little bit, or I'm gonna like prep her outfit for the day and stuff, so I can give her a bath and get her ready, so we can leave after she had her food.
Saffie lekker aan het spelen. Ja, aan het spelen, mooie meid. Hm?